Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make crispy beans. First, choose fresh, firm green beans, then trim their ends. Blanching them briefly in boiling water and then shocking them in ice water will help maintain their vibrant color and tender crisp texture. Remember, thoroughly drying the beans after blanching is a critical step for achieving that perfect crispiness. After blanching, quickly move the beans to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. This preserves their bright green color. Next, and this is very important, pat them completely dry using a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. Any excess moisture will prevent them from getting truly crispy. Finally, toss them lightly with 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and your chosen seasonings. You have a few great options for cooking. For roasting, spread the seasoned beans on a baking sheet and cook at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway. If using an air fryer, cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes, shaking the basket occasionally. Pan frying in a single layer also works well. Just cook until they are golden brown and crispy. To ensure maximum crispiness, avoid overcrowding your pan or baking sheet. Cook in batches if necessary. Using a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, is also beneficial. While you can season before, a final sprinkle of salt and pepper right after cooking enhances the flavor. Serve your crispy beans immediately to enjoy them at their absolute best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.